It's blatant strong-arm robbery on one of Chicago's L trains. We told you about this case back in February, and now we can show you the video. It happened just before rush hour in Chicago. The suspects appear to befriend the victim. They drink and they smoke on the train right up to the time one puts him in a chokehold. Court documents say they put a knife to his neck as well. The others can be seen rifling through the pockets of the victim. The court documents say they got $400 and a cell phone before leaving the victim unconscious in the back of the train car. Witnesses got on the emergency call button to notify authorities.
Them guys just got off the train, man. They just robbed this. The migrants just got off the train. They just robbed this guy back here, and he look like he's asleep. I hear him breathing, but you know what I'm saying? He right there by the door. I don't want to touch him.
All right, I'll be back there as soon as we get into Pulaski.
The train was held until the four suspects were arrested. Fernando Loyo-Rodriguez, Carreno-Carreno, Yonnier, Guasamucare, Garcia had all been on pretrial release for shoplifting cases, but together with Wilker Gutierrez Sierra, they're all now looking at charges ranging from attempted murder to robbery and aggravated battery. The four men listed their home addresses as state-funded migrant shelters.